Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your OBS camera is not showing up inside the Discord app. So how can you fix that inside desktop? So first of all, if I go to my Discord application and go inside the settings, scroll down and inside the voice and video, like the first option is voice, the second one is video, and inside the camera, as you can see, I am able to see multiple options like animes, HP HD camera, AMD privacy view camera, or OBS virtual camera. As you can see, like I am able to see this option, OBS virtual camera. But let's say for some reason you're not able to see any other options except one. So what you can do and how you can fix that? First of all, close the Discord application. First of all, like you can just click on check for updates, and if there are any updates, make sure to install them and try again. Restart your laptop or PC as well once, and quit desktop. The second thing that you can do is just uninstall the Discord application completely, add or remove. You can just search this, or you can just search uninstall, and inside this search section you can just write down Discord. Just click on these three lines and click on uninstall. Now this might be happening due to some privacy or some kind of permission which you did not allow earlier, and they are not they're not able to fix right now. So what you can do is just uninstall, reinstall the Discord, and after that they might ask you to again ask for some permissions, and just click on allow, yes, and after that your issue will be fixed and you will be able to use the OBS virtual camera inside the Discord application. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix that.